For those who have always dreamt of visiting the Grand Canyon in US and finding that dream indefinitely postponed due to current COVID situations, well, I have a news for you. India has its very own Grand Canyon, and it is as beautiful as its American counterpart. If you want to witness this gorgeous place, you need to head towards Gandikota in Andhra Pradesh. Owing its strategical location, this is the center of power for various dynasties ever since it's discovered by Kakatiya Raja in 1123. The name of this place can be broken into two parts. Gandi meaning canyon, kota means fort in Telugu. In fact, the entire village in this place is known by its name, Gandikota. Look at this place, canyons everywhere.